is Gerarcas and welcome back to my channel. So, are you afraid on someone might stalking on you or balak mag-hack ng account ninyo sa Facebook? So, in this video, I will help you to know or how to get the profile lock, and that is to iwas hack or iwas stalk sa inyong mga Facebook profile. So, first of all, ano nga ba ang Facebook profile lock? So, this Facebook profile lock is a feature na it will help to get the Facebook profile users to be protected from the other people who are using the Facebook in the malicious way. Yung mga malicious way na pwede kang i-stalk na ayaw mo naman, or pwede kang ma-hack ng inyong account, which is napaka masakit or napaka something that is not right because of it. This feature is nag-umpisa ito sa bansang India, in which this Facebook profile lock it helps to get the Facebook users to be protected, especially those women. So there is also a women empowerment or women equality. So next for it, so kasalukuyan hindi naman to sa Pilipinas ay wala pa itong feature. So that is why in this video I will help you to get to know on how you will be do the Facebook profile lock just to minimize the stalking, or to get yourself protected from the people might get access or hack your account. So please don't forget to hit the like button and click the subscribe button and tap the notification bells so that you are updated whenever I have video uploaded. So right now guys, let's go for it to our video tutorial. So nasa home screen na po tayo. So first, by locking the Facebook account, the strangers and stalkers won't be able to view your post or photos or even the stories and the personal information. Meaning to say, yung mga strangers na hindi natin kilala, yung mga taong hindi natin kilala, at yung mga nagiging stalker po natin, hindi po sila makaka-view ng ating mga photos, ng ating mga post, or even the stories and the personal information. So they can just only view our profile picture, cover photo, and up to 5 profile details. So at the moment, the things that makikita po natin dito ay it will serve as the protection. So ano nga ba yung magiging benefits po nito? So when you lock your Facebook account, so locking the profile gives the security benefits. So first, yung mga kilala na pong nating mga kaibigan o ina-accept na mga friends, yung makakapag-panood or will be view our photos, posts, and stories sa ating profile. So only friends, second po ay only friends will see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. So later on, makikita po natin kung ano nga ba ang mangyayari kapag kung hindi friend natin yung nag-profile lock. So later on, makikita po din mo natin yon. And then third is, people you're not friends will see a maximum of profile details or 5 profile details. So let's start with our tutorial. First, puntahan na po natin ang ating Facebook. Ayan, gamitin po natin yung ating Facebook Lite. So as you can see, dito tayo, puntahan po natin itong button. Ayan, itong menu. So itong 3 lines, that is called as menu. So puntahan, click lang po natin yan. Then hanapan po natin yung language.
Ayan. As you can see, ito yung language. Ayan. Click lang po natin yung language. Then, mapapansin po ninyo, marami po tayong pagpipili ang language, right? Then, yung pipiliin lang po natin po dito ay, alright, itong language na ito. Yan lang po ang pipiliin po natin. So, just by clicking on this language, ayan. So, lahat ng ng text sa ating Facebook timeline ay ma-translate siya into that language. So, puntahan po natin to. Then, puntahan natin yung settings. Ayan, ito yung settings. Then may mapapansin po ninyo, right? Mapapansin po ninyo yung itong site. Ito. What you need is to click that. I know. Sorry. Itong site pala. Di ba 1, 2, 3. Ayan, dito. Itong site na to. At ito. Click lang to. Ayan. This is about the Facebook profile lock. Then click this. Ayan. Then change to kwan tayo. Change to language. Then change to language tayo again. English. Try natin mag-login sa isang account na hindi ko friend yung Facebook account ko. Right? Tapos tignan po natin kung ano ang mangyayari. Ayan. Naka-Facebook profile lock na, guys. So, Fee locked his profile. Only his friends can see or what he shares on his profile. So, no posts or tags. So, ayun nga guys, tama lang. So, ito lang makikita natin yung parang maliit lang na na cover photo, yung post.
So, ayun na guys. I hope that you've learned about on this Facebook profile lock, and I hope na masishare nyo din po itong video sa ating mga kababayan or even to the other people who didn't know about the Facebook profile lock. This is to help you guys to get rid the stalkers, to get rid the people who might get access to your account. So, you better watch out. You better try to be lenient on the things that you posted on the online surface, because we all know that the Facebook hacking, the Facebook phishing, the many things that are involved in the surface web is essentially might get hurt you. So once again, this is about Gerarcas, and I hope that this video give you learnings, and don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below your comments, and just please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell beside of it. And thank you. See you for our next video vlog, and I hope you're doing well on this day, and thank you. Bye bye.